Shortest on my right and tallest on my left in toe. Numbers.
1, 2,
1, 2. Last man, flag bearer.
At ease. Who are you?
I am a cadet of honor, chosen by God, set apart for His glory, a royal priesthood, bold in truth and fearless in purpose. I am a champion. I was born to triumph. Through Christ I shine His light and walk in victory. Booyah!
Action! Step forward. By the left, mark time. Left, right. We are soldiers.
We are soldiers, soldiers of the Lord. In the name of Jesus, we are champions.
We are soldiers.
We are soldiers, soldiers of the Lord. In the name of Jesus, we are champions.
We are soldiers.
We are soldiers, soldiers of the Lord. In the name of Jesus, we are champions.
Left, turn. We are soldiers.
We are soldiers, soldiers of the Lord. In the name of Jesus, we are champions.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Left, turn. We are soldiers.
We are soldiers, soldiers of the Lord. In the name of Jesus, we are champions.
1, 2.
1, 2,
1, 2.
1, 2.
Attack! On. Back row. Open rank. Open.
Detail 1, detail 2, detail 3. Detail 3, move back a little. Stop. Detail 2, move back a little. Stop.
On your knees, cadets. Ten push-ups for the church. 1 for the bishop.
1.
1 for the canon.
1.
1 for love.
1.
1 for your parents.
1.
1 for kindness.
1.
1 for leadership.
1.
As you were. Reverend sir, may I present to you the cadets of honor, first of their kind, class of 2025 for your inspection, sir. Redress. Halt. Sirs, you're ready for the induction.